How to log in onto your Shake Shack account on your iPhone. First you want to open the Shake Shack application. After that you want to allow all the permission that the app is asking, and if you are having any problems like so, you can simply go to the Safari, and here you want to type in Shake Shack over here, and you want to click on allow your location access. After that you want to click on Shake Shack application. After that you want to click on Shake Shack website, and here on the website you want to allow all cookies, and you can simply use the application from here. If you want to log in into your account, you can simply click on these three bars over here, and you'll see an sign in option over here. Tap on sign in, and here if you are seeing an interface like this, that means you have been blocked on Shake Shack. And what you can do to resolve this is also there. You can email the site owner to let them know that you are blocked, and you want to include what you are doing on this page, and also you want to include the Cloudflare Ray ID found at the bottom of this page. After that you will be unblocked from this swipe, and if your appeal works out, you will be unblocked from the website. After that you will be able to use the application, Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.